Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video is about Umkhokha the Curse and the new drama series that is going to replace Umkhokha. As we know that Umkhokha is going to the end on the 28th February 2025. There is a new drama series that is took over Umkhokha. That drama starts on the 3rd of March 2025 at 8:30 on Umzansi Magic, Itonga. Itonga, it's about two brothers who are twins, Sanele and Banele. Those two brothers walk in a different pathways. One walks in the dark and the other one walks in the light. And there will be a fight and betrayal among them. Because they're born and raised together, their bond is unshakable. This drama set KwaZulu-Natal. The best characters are Bonko Khoza, best known as Manqele with a wife, and Ayanda Boroto, who plays the role of Phumelele Kusibongile and Dlamini, and Nelisiwe Sibiya, who play role of Unompendulo Kumkhokha the Curse. Then Usipho Sethu Mabaso, who known for acting on Durban Jan as Brajon, and also Unolthando Ngema. The teasers of Itonga, they're going to shown on the 3rd of March 2025. Follow me guys until we reach there. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.